Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to the more option and then you're going to open up the Roblox setting. And on the settings, you're going to go to the account information. And hold on guys, it's still loading. Alright, and here you will be able to change your language. Okay, you can go to the language menu and you can choose the language that you want to apply to your Roblox. And then don't forget to click on save here to save the changes. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change language on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!